Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to generate a support bundle and run a health check using a Python-based UCSM tool. First, log into your UCS Manager. Once you're in, we need to download the support bundle. On the left side panel, go to Admin, and then select Tech Support. Click the Add button at the bottom of the screen, then choose Create and Download Tech Support File. From the options, select UCSM and click OK to generate the support bundle. Wait for the generation and download process to complete. Now, you'll need to download and install Python. I've included the download link in the video description. Also, download the UCSM Health Check tool script. The link is in the description too. Now, you should have 3 files: the Python installer, the UCSM Health Check tool, and the UCS support bundle. Let's install Python on your computer. During setup, choose Custom Installation and create a folder named Python on your C drive. You can choose any file location to install Python, but make sure to remember the installation path. Select this folder as your installation location, then click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Close. Now, open the command prompt from the Start menu. Type Python and press Enter. If everything is installed correctly, you'll see the Python version details. Next, extract the Health Check tool zip file. Copy the extracted UCSM Health Check folder and the support bundle to your C drive. Open command prompt again and navigate to the Health Check folder. In my case, it's on the C drive. Use the cd command to navigate to the installation folder. This will take you to the Health Check folder inside the Python directory. Now run the UCSM tool Python file. You'll see the script start running. The report file is also generated in the UCSM Health Check folder. When prompted, provide the path to the UCS support bundle. In my case, the support bundle is also in the C drive. Press Enter to continue. You'll be given 2 options: UCS Health Check and Pre-Upgrade Check. For this session, I'll select option 1, UCS Health Check. Open the summary report to check the health of your UCS system. In my case, the keyring certificate check has failed. You can refer to the comments section within the report for recommendations on resolving any issues. Follow the steps provided and you'll be able to fix them easily. And that's it! You've successfully performed a UCS health check using the support bundle and Python tool. Thank you for watching.